In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export or import an invoice template in QuickBooks Desktop. If you want to back up a custom invoice design, move it to another computer, or bring a saved template into your company file. QuickBooks makes the process fairly straightforward. The key is knowing exactly where the template options are located and what to select once you get there. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along with confidence. To begin, open QuickBooks Desktop. Once you're inside the program, go to the Lists menu at the top of the screen and select Templates. This will open the list of templates available in your QuickBooks company file. Here you'll be able to view the different form templates that QuickBooks uses, including invoice templates. Next, click on the specific invoice template you want to work with. This is important because QuickBooks needs to know which template you want to export, or which area you're working from before you import a new one. If you have several templates with similar names, take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct one before continuing. After that, look toward the bottom left corner of the Templates list window and click the Templates drop-down. From there, choose either Import or Export depending on what you need to do. If you're exporting the template, click Export. QuickBooks will then ask you to verify the file name and choose the folder where you want to save the template on your computer. This is a good time to pick a location that's easy to remember, especially if you plan to use the template on another device or keep it as a backup. Once the file name and folder look correct, click Save. If you're importing a template instead, click Import from that same drop-down menu. Then browse your computer to find the .ds template file you want to bring into QuickBooks. Once you've located the correct file, select Open. QuickBooks will then add that template to your company file so it becomes available in your templates list. And that's all there is to it. Exporting helps you save and reuse your invoice layout, while importing makes it easy to add a previously created template back into QuickBooks Desktop. Just make sure you're selecting the right template and saving or opening the correct file during the process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.